How to import or add theme in your Shopify store. There are three ways to import a theme. You can import theme by visiting theme store, upload a zip file, or connect from GitHub. Let's start with visit theme store. Click on visit theme store. Here you can see different themes. Click on view all. Here you can select free theme or paid theme. If we click on free, you will see only free themes. If we click on paid, it will see free and paid themes as well. You can also select theme according to the industry of your Shopify store. Let's say clothing. It will show themes that is suitable for clothing. We can also select theme according to the catalog size as well. We can also select theme according to the features as well. If you want mega menu in your Shopify store, you can select this mega menu. After finalizing your requirements, select the theme. Let's say I want free theme to install in my Shopify store. Click it here. If I select this theme, Spotlight, click it here. Here you can see try theme. Click on try theme. As you can see, adding Spotlight to your online store themes. This is the theme. If you want to publish this theme, simply click on publish because currently it is in draft mode. Currently the live theme is Horizon. If you want Spotlight to be published, click it here. Now you can customize this theme. Second method is upload a zip file. Click it here. Upload a file. In the same way you can publish it. The third method is connect from GitHub. Click it here. You need to log in to GitHub. After that you can build theme faster from GitHub. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your message here at my LinkedIn profile. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.